Good to be here. Yeah, good to be here, sir. Okay, good to see you. Yeah, of course, I will be happy new year.
And on the red scarf there is a Chinese character. It's pronounced as Chun Chun. 2月16日是所以呢，尽可能的北地人民为你们献上最真挚的祝福，祝大家新年好。
Mr. Jioji, the President of the Fiji-China Association. The Excellency the Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to Fiji, Ambassador Dr. Konrote. Your Excellency, the Head of Missions, the British High Commission, and the French Ambassador, Bonjour. Members of the diplomatic corps, the government secretaries, Ms. Michelle, Ms. Wells, Mr. Grant, senior government officials, Mr. McGrath, Ms. Bennett, Ground General. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Ni hao, ni sambul na. A very good morning still to you all. It gives me great pleasure to be here today to celebrate this auspicious occasion in the Chinese calendar year of 2018. On behalf of the government and people of Fiji, I extend to you our very best wishes for a happy and prosperous new year. Kung Hei Fei Choi. This year is the year of the Earth God. According to Chinese mythology, I understand that those who are born in the year of the dog are destined to be sincere, loyal, independent, decisive, responsible, courageous, and active personnel. They are supposed to get on well with people and are able to deal with the challenges of everyday life better than their contemporaries. The Earth dog is very persistent and never gives up. These are qualities we should all aspire to possess as responsible and law-abiding citizens of our beloved Fiji. The latest Fiji census statistics reveal that the average age of Fiji's population today is below the age of 28. And those young people will come to shape the future of Fiji. They are our future leaders. By instilling our youth with the drive, the courage, and passion like that of the Earth Dog, they will continue to build upon our progress, strengthening Fiji with the same drive that has brought our great nation to where it is today. The People's Republic of China has been a very close ally of Fiji for decades, extending back to the establishment of diplomatic ties between our two countries in 1975 and strengthening even further in the past decade. As a result of expanding Fiji-China relations, Fiji has, since then, continued to experience a surge in growth opportunities in the areas of social development, trade and investment, as well as a renewed commitment of support towards Fiji's stand on climate change and its aspirations to successfully achieve the targets within the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs. Now, recognizing the Fijian government's infrastructural development needs In both urban and rural sectors, the People's Republic of China has continued to respond with viable solutions that have resulted in real-time benefits for the people of this country. I would therefore like to take this opportunity to thank the government of the People's Republic of China through its embassy here in Suva for its diplomacy through humanitarian assistance, the most recent being the financial support extended to the Fijian government and the people of Fiji following the devastation of Tropical Cyclone Winston in 2016. I also acknowledge the People's Republic of China's unwavering support of the United Nations climate change negotiation of Fiji's presidency of COP23. Ladies and gentlemen, tourism is another area in which we have mutually benefited with chartered flights from Hangzhou, China, bringing Chinese tourists to Fiji. More of them are right on our shores. To our visitors, I would like to extend to you all a very warm Fijian bula and welcome to our shores. I hope that you will enjoy our traditional Fijian hospitality. With our tourism industry leaning increasingly towards niche markets, Fiji has established a capacity to better target the discerning international traveler. Ties between the People's Republic of China and Fiji has been further strengthened with the establishment of the Confucius Institute at the University of the South Pacific. Not only does the Institute foster the learning of the Chinese language, it also bridges the cultural gap between our two countries through country-to-country exchanges and cultural programs. As the regional university celebrates its 50th anniversary this year, indeed a momentous achievement, USP's Confucius Institute should celebrate it as it solidifies its foundation as a center for premium Chinese language and cultural learning. To all our Chinese partners in development and the friends of Fiji who strove over the years to further promote the mutually beneficial relations that now exist between our two nations and have been most helpful in assisting us in dealing with our socio-economic and political challenges, I would like to acknowledge, commend, and more importantly, thank you for your efforts as we commemorate and celebrate the Chinese New Year today. Ladies and gentlemen, as we enter the year of the Ret'd, we are reminded that the last time this sign of the Chinese zodiac was upon us was way back in 2006. A very different time for Fiji today. And now as we stand here this morning, now becoming this afternoon, after journeying through a full 12-year cycle, I would like to ask you to reflect on the progress that we have made together as nations and friends, and on the changes we have witnessed all around us. The nation we see around us today is unlike anything we have ever seen before in our country's history. Our system of governance is free and fair, giving equal rights to all Fijians. Our students are more educated, more skilled, and more prepared to enter the workforce. A workforce with more career options and higher quality career options at their feet than ever before. Our deep rural and maritime communities have a higher quality of life and access to more resources. And our voice on the global stage is louder and prouder than it's ever been before. We have witnessed 8 straight years of economic growth, and our unemployment rate is at a 30-year low. Ladies and gentlemen, in short, Fiji is a changed nation. We are stronger than ever. We've come to this year of the Ret'd a very different animal than we did some 12 years ago. And the best accomplishment of all Fijians, regardless of ethnicity, background, socio-economic standing, can celebrate these successes as equals, as a prospering Fijian family, united as one. To those who have gathered here this morning, I am pleased to see that you have all made an effort, despite the rain and the threat of a cyclone hovering over us, to attend and enjoy the festivities that the members of the Chinese community have organized. Thank you for your support, and I think it was a wise move to move us from Sakuna Park to this premises this morning. Today we celebrate the beginning of the Chinese New Year. The beginning of any New Year is always a cause for celebration because it's an opportunity to renew our commitments to a fulfilling life, including a peaceful and prosperous future. In China, The new year also marks the Spring Festival and the start of spring, which is to commemorate the beginning of the planting season, indeed a celebration of life. And as a farmer too, I'm interested in this. I like planting. To all our Chinese friends and all our Fijians of Chinese ancestry, I wish you continued prosperity and good health. Kung hei fat choi, share. Thank you, Nawale, and may Almighty God continue to bless you all and our beloved nation, Fiji.
85. 85.